This video is how to use keyframes for audio in Premiere Pro. Let's get started. Go over to here, up to your effect controls, and then press on it. And there's like the video option here. I'm just gonna make that smaller. Got video, but then there's audio here. I never knew this was here until like a couple of days ago. But yeah, the option here to keyframe your audio. So we can keyframe it like that by just pressing the buttons. But let's say we increase it to like 1.3. This video is how to use, but this clip here is just from a video. If you double tap it, then you could just change it to what you want. I'm just going to make it 4. But we want to slow it down so it's back to 1, let's say here, just before the end. So what we are going to do is we want it to be 4 until here. So when we get to here, we're going to keyframe it, and then we're going to go over to here, double tap, delete it, turn it to 1, and then beginners in Premiere Pro. So make sure that you've pressed on your clip. There we go. If you are interested, I have a video right here which you can watch. Subscribe.